Punctuation in note taking. Full stop should always be written if at all possible because of the great assistance it gives the note taker in the transcription of his notes. Dashes should also be inserted where possible in order to indicate where the speaker drops the principal sentence and goes off at a tangent and where resumes it, if ever. The commas at the beginning and end of a parenthetical observation should be shown by a short space. The principal instance being where the noun and verb are separated as in the following sentence. The soldier being tired after the long day's march quickly fell asleep. In such a simple case as this, it is hardly necessary, but with long and involved sentences, it is of great assistance in analyzing their construction to be able at once to locate the verb, which will very often be the second or third word after the second space. The following are examples. The speaker, having discussed at the length the arguments advanced by his opponent in the various speeches he had delivered during the week, earnestly urged his hearers not to be influenced by specious promises, and we, acting on behalf of the executive, who were of one opinion as to the necessity of prompt action in the matter, immediately issued a writ against the offender and succeeded in gaining substantial damages. As a corollary, it is obvious that a space should be left only where it has a defined meaning. A small space for a parenthesis or important comma and a somewhat larger one for a full stop if the stop cannot be written.